hurting your back?
No.
A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. You got it.
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 laugh above the stream.
Good.
I can't wait.
Hey, let's sit down and take a video.
I know, I see.
Yeah, who knew it would be this challenging?
Yeah.
This is why you don't work out at the day of Christmas, because everyone knows with toys
Between batteries and assembly.
that's your workout. And no sleep. Thanks, Mike.
Row your boat
Such
gently
a
down.
smart man.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Do you see how people are using this? You better use this a lot.
I will.
Thanks for looking-
Carlita,
Go.
say something in the video.
Hi, this is my trampoline.
Just
I won it.
happy
I had
like
no
licking
trampoline in
toys.
my backyard, so yeah. There you go. I did.
With my toe.
It's almost done.
Yeah, I don't know how you could stretch
If
it
you
with that
break
tool.
a bone,
I will not.
luckily it happens.